The Azure Developer CLI is a new CLI that helps you get a complete solution up and running on Azure. Pretty much all you have to do is install it and then call azd up with the name of the template that you want to provision and deploy to Azure, and it will get everything set up for you. The latest version uses abbreviations from the Cloud Adoption Framework. Out here on the Cloud Adoption Framework webpage, you have all the abbreviations for each of the resources. So for API Management Service instance, it's APIM. Application Gateway, it's AGW. The Azure Dev CLI includes infra abbreviations.json, which is a file that has all of those abbreviations. Then wherever you need those abbreviations, you just load that JSON file into a variable and then use that when you are naming your resources. For example, here we're creating a resource group, so we're using abbreviations, resource groups, and then we suffix it with the azd environment name. You'll find the source of that file at github.com/azure, azure-dev, under templates, common, infra, bicep, abbreviations.json. So you can just take this file and use it in your own projects. And of course, it's available in all of the azd templates, which you can find at aka/ms azure-dev/templates. aka/ms/azd will get you to our main documentation page where you can install the CLI and get access to all of the templates and learn how to adapt the conventions of azd in your own projects so you can use all the same commands in the application that you're building.